France, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and world-renowned cuisine, is a dream destination for travelers. Here are 17 must-visit places in this enchanting country. Paris. The City of Light is home to iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. Wander through charming neighborhoods such as Montmartre and the Marais. French Riviera, Côte d'Azur. Known for glamorous beach resorts like Nice, Cannes, and Saint-Tropez, the French Riviera offers beautiful Mediterranean beaches and upscale dining. Loire Valley. Famous for its fairy tale chateau and vineyards, the Loire Valley is a picturesque region perfect for wine lovers and history enthusiasts. Bordeaux. A major wine-growing region, Bordeaux is also known for its beautiful architecture and vibrant cultural scene. Lyon. Renowned for its culinary excellence, Lyon is also rich in history with its Roman amphitheaters and Renaissance architecture. Normandy. Discover the dramatic cliffs of Étretat, the historic D-Day beaches, and the medieval Mont Saint-Michel. Provence. Famous for its lavender fields, charming villages, and Roman ruins, Provence is a feast for the senses. Alsace. Explore the picturesque villages with half-timbered houses and sample the unique Franco-German cuisine. Chamonix, Mont Blanc. Nestled in the Alps, Chamonix offers breathtaking mountain views and is a paradise for skiing and hiking. Dordogne. Known for its prehistoric caves, medieval castles, and beautiful countryside, Dordogne is a haven for history buffs. Brittany. With its rugged coastline, charming towns, and unique Breton culture, Brittany is a captivating region to explore. Corsica. This Mediterranean island offers stunning beaches, mountainous landscapes, and a unique blend of French and Italian cultures. Burgundy. A famous wine region, Burgundy is also known for its rich history and beautiful countryside. Loire Valley Castles. Visit the majestic castles of the Loire Valley, including Château de Chambord and Château de Chenonceau. Toulouse. Known as La Ville Rose, the Pink City, due to its terracotta buildings, Toulouse boasts a rich aerospace industry and vibrant cultural life. Gauche du Verdun. Often considered France's Grand Canyon, this stunning river canyon offers spectacular views and outdoor activities like kayaking and hiking. French Basque Country. Discover the unique culture, beautiful beaches, and charming towns like Biarritz and Bayonne in the French Basque Country. France's diverse regions and cities offer something for every traveler, whether you're looking for history, adventure, or relaxation.